If you can't adjust the brightness on your iPhone, here are the best ways to fix the iPhone brightness not working issue quickly. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Now try adjusting the brightness slider manually. If the slider works, then the issue may just be temporary. If the brightness still won't change, open the Settings app and tap on Accessibility. Then go to Display and Text Size. Scroll all the way down and turn off Auto Brightness. Sometimes this feature automatically changes your screen brightness and causes problems. Next, go back to the main settings page, tap on General, and then tap Software Update. If there's a new iOS update available, download and install it, because software bugs can sometimes cause brightness issues on iPhone. Now go back and open Battery Settings. If low power mode is enabled, turn it off. This mode can reduce screen brightness to save battery life. After that, go back and open Display and Brightness and tap on Night Shift. Turn it off if it's enabled because Night Shift can make your screen look darker or yellow. If the problem still isn't fixed, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release Volume Up, then Volume Down, and after that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And finally, if nothing works, go to General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This will not delete your photos or apps, but it will reset system settings that may be causing the brightness issue. After your iPhone restarts, the brightness control should start working normally again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting and how-to tutorials.